Maraming salamat po, and to officially offer the ceremonial toast for the lovely debutante Ara, I'd like to call in once again the handsome father, Mr. Noel Cleofe. Palakpakan po natin muli. Sir.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po at nakarating kayo sa birthday ng aking unika iha. And all the guests. Before we move forward for the toast, in honor of my only daughter, Ara, I like to take this opportunity to quickly talk about the past when Ara is being molded into what she is now. Let me share that my wife and I named her Tara Denise dahil gusto namin na ang name niya ay feminine at masculine ang dating. But look at her now. She has grown into a very fine lady with a very strong personality. She was born on November 26, 1989 at UERM Hospital in Quezon City. I remember when she was still a baby. How can I forget those days na ako ang nagpapalit ng diapers niya and prepare formula. Siguro nagtataka kayo why I am the one who's doing that. It's because Odette, my wife, needs to get a continuous sleep matapos manganak sa aming panganay na si Ara. And it was indeed a great experience to babysit Ara and witness all the first memories in her life. Like her first bath, her first smile, her first word, Dada, the way she calls me. Dada. Habang lumilipas ang panahon, as Ara is becoming of age, we noticed her in interest in singing na hindi namin nabigyan ng pansin. Until we watch her in a program held at Immaculate Heart of Mary, where she spent her primary years, we were surprised by Ara's remarkable performance. I glanced at my wife at alam ko na kung saan namana ni Ara ang kanyang singing ability. Thanks God, I'm sure my wife will kiss me with that nice statement. Si Ara, simple lang. She's contented in what we can only provide her, which we cherish a lot. No kidding. Pero mabait siyang anak. A person who will stand strong no matter what comes her way. At yun ang mahalaga. I'm proud of you, anak. Love you. 18 blessed years had passed since she came out into this world. And through this, yung pasalamatan ng aking gorgeous at mabait na asawa for guiding Ara to become a strong person like her. Lalo na noong mga panahon na ako ay wala. Para gampanan ko ang aking tungkulin bilang isang ama dahil ako ay nasa Amerika. Salamat, Odette. Thank you for taking care of our family. Sa paghubog mo kay Ara to become what a prim and proper young lady should be. At this point, I want to propose a toast. Okay. Sandali ha. Can I call, please call Eric Pineda first. Eric, where are you? Come here. Siya po ang gawa ng napakagandang damit ni Ara.
Keep it short and sweet so that you can propose the toast to your daughter. I just want to say that one of the perks of my profession is not only am I paid to do the gown, No, the clients, in this case, when Noel and Odette brought their daughter to me 4 months ago, and after it was a very enjoyable creative process, the clients eventually become my friends. So what other profession brings you that? And in this case, all I can say is I share with Noel the desire to toast Ara and congratulate Noel and Odette for the past 18 years and wish you, more importantly, a fabulous, fabulous life ahead. That's all I can wish for you.
Okay. At this point, I want to propose a toast for a very special girl para sa aking mahal na unika iha, Tara Denise Perez Cleofe. I wish you all the best in this world, and God bless you always. Ara, happy 18th birthday. Cheers!
Cheers! Once again, happy birthday, Ara. Come on, everyone, give it your biggest and warmest round of applause for our debutante. Happy birthday to you, girl. And while we're getting pictures of everyone who has joined us for the 18 toast, I would also like to call the attention of the people who are part of the 18 candles to please assemble by the registration table in preparation for the next tradition. And let me just run through the 18 candles participants: Princess Molly, Karine, Dimple, Roseanne, Jessica, Camille, Julian, Angela, Eunice, Maureen, Leandra, RG, Marianne, Normandy, Patricia, Janine, Jessica, Elisa, Jessa, Rina, John, Daniel, and Leah Garcia. You are requested to please proceed to the registration right this minute. And of course, once again, we would like to thank our gown designer, our friend, our good friend here, Mr. Eric Pineda. And this time around, in preparation for the next ceremony that's about to happen, I would like to request once again the mother of the debutante, Miss Lourdes Cleofe, to light the mother candle. Will take after this day as a young woman, a young lady, a journey into life of being a mature adult person. Once again, to you, Ara, happy birthday.
Pinsan, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral, matapos mo nursing, tsaka maging maayos ang pangangatawan at maging safe lagi. Good luck sa lahat. Tsaka, nandito lang ako pag kailangan. Happy birthday!
That was Princess for you. Let's move on to Miss Karine Perez.
Hi, Ara. Happy birthday. You're already blessed. I do hope that fulfillment from your blessings will give you happiness and continue extending your blessings with all your loved ones. Let all wishes from your friends do come true, and just be nice. Be a good girl. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Karine. Let's move on to the third candle, Miss Dimple Perez.
Hi, Ara! Happy birthday! Ano ba masasabi ko sa'yo? Basta, stay as sweet as you are, as cool as you are, and yun, more power sa pagkanta. Alam ko, napakagaling mong kumanta. Idol. Tapos, ano ba, yun, stay happy and healthy. Tapos, yung pag-aaral mo, tapusin mo para, syempre, for the future. We're always here, and you know naman na mahal ka namin. We are one family. So, yun. Ingat lagi, and always keep your feet on the ground. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Kasi halos lahat na sa'yo na maganda ka, syempre wala namang pangit sa atin. So, basta yun. Always remember, we are here for you. Yan lang. Love you. Happy birthday.